morning, guys. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Today is Wednesday, July 6. Punta tayo guys ng market kasi may market sila dito kung saan tayo nag-walking before. So punta natin yun. Pero pangit ang weather, siguro maputik dun kasi umulan magdamag. Hanggang ngayon, konti lang, parang kung sa Bicol through Tagite, nag-drizzle lang ba. So yeah, yun ang ating ganap today. And hindi ko alam kung ano mamaya kasi ang pangit ng weather ngayon talaga. Malapit na tayo, guys. Yung iba naglakad. Kung maganda sana yung may mga payong silang dala. Ayan, yung market, Hindi ko alam makita. Dito, ayan. Saan makapark? Oh, perfect. Ayan dito. You can. Ayan yung market, Sana wag munang umulan. Tama-tama alis siya. Ito na lang tayo. Magpa-park. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Dito na, baba. Sila Ben. Nauna sila. Hintay pa kasi namin tumagising. So, ito yung market nila. Watch out for the mud. Okay, here, baba.
Dad, there's lots of sausages.
Oh, yun Fresh fruits, baba, Yeah. What do you want?
I want some mango.
Huh?
I want some mango, Mom.
There's no mango. Did you say mango? There's no mango. Oh, look at that. Oh, may sausages sila dito. You want some sausages, Baba?
Yes, please.
Not yet daw, sabi ni John. Maglibot daw muna tayo. Ayan. Mushroom, chips and oyster mushroom rice stir fry vegan. Yeah, wait, Baba. Olive sack, Ayan isa. May ginger, may salami. May chorizo, ayan, chorizo. Vegetables, come here. Malit lang naman. Yun lang, ata. Come here, Baba. Wala na, yun lang. Meron pa, pero hindi na yung... Coffee, meron silang coffee doon. But we don't drink coffee. Sometimes. Depende.
Mommy,
Huh?
you do drink coffee?
No, sometimes. Not all the time. Oh, there's banana bread there, maybe. There's banana. Let's see. Yeah, they have banana bread. Hello. Yeah, they have banana bread. Half. That one.
Oh, there's banana cake.
Yeah, that's right.
A banana bread, banana cake, sorry.
There's one of each, yeah.
Yeah, banana bread, banana cake. Carrot cake pala to. Ito yung banana bread. And they also have this quiche. Yeah. Banana bread. Banana cake. Yes.
Little flour.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, come on, Baba. Give it here, Hano. Put it here.
Yeah, we'll tie that off, but
Yeah.
hopefully it's all right.
What is it?
Banana bread.
Tanggalin niya raw yung bulaklak sa banana cake. Oh, Zach! You want some? Yeah, nahiya pa siya. Huh? Smoke, yeah, it's smoky. Come on, go. Ma. Child, where are you going?
See that? Where's chicken?
You want some? Oh, chicken, I think. There's a chicken. Is this chicken?
Sorry?
Chicken?
Yeah, that one up the top is chicken.
Yeah.
And it's on brown rice.
Do you have white rice?
Yep.
Yeah, can we have white rice, please?
Yep, one chicken.
One chicken only, Sak? Yeah.
I'll tell you.
One or two? Two. Yes, please. Thank you. 3, si Kuya ayaw niya naman. Chona, C-H-O-N-A. So, balikan natin yung sushi after 5 to 10 minutes. Kasi, ginagawa pa. Kasi brown rice yung available. Yeah, not yet. Brown rice, that one. We have to wait. What's the smelly thing?
Anything from the van. Anything good.
Ha?
Put in the van, something smells nice.
Ilagay daw sa van. Ito yata hinahang to. Wait.
Yeah, put it back on, and then you hang it up. You put it in a cupboard too.
Ah,
that's got,
okay.
like, you know,
So just...
and then you just tip, and it'll go through the wood. Every time you need it, you tip again.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I will just ask my husband.
Yeah.
Can I smell this?
Have you? I had one.
Watermelon? Okay, gusto niya.
Me.
What else they got?
Hindi pa siya, yeah, this one is good. Watermelon.
Yeah.
That's, lemongrass. Mabango rin yung lemongrass.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
I think this one.
Too sweet. Oh, salted
I
caramel.
like that.
You like it? Which one you like best? Peppermint. No, what's that? Peppermint. What's the other one, huh? Lemongrass.
Hey, no.
Get 2 of them, huh? Lemongrass and... Which one you like, Sak? Lemongrass? Mas gusto niya yung lemongrass. He likes the lemongrass.
Just hang on your revision mirror. Take it off. Yeah, Caravan same. And take that out. Put that back on. Get like refills if you like. That's what you have. Make sure you hang it somewhere where that glue doesn't touch.
We love.
That's what you like.
Yeah.
And the one that's got nothing on it is lemongrass. There you go.
Yeah, thank you. So lemongrass yung kinuha namin.
That's $12. We'll just make it 10.
Pwede siyang ihang sa caravan, sa cabinet, sa car. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good rest of the trip.
Yes, we will. Thank you. Thank you. It will last how long, babe? 4 weeks? That's a low. 46 weeks. Yeah, you just tip and then, yeah. So, kailangan lang daw, di ba wood siya? Ititip mo lang, tapos takpan, tapos lalabas na raw yun sa, doon sa kahoy. Ayan, meron din silang bread. Dito naman tayo sa bread. Silang cinnamon buns.
$12.
Thank you. Cinnamon love. Thank you. Cinnamon.
I've had a cinnamon pretzel before.
Yeah.
We made it at school. I've had this at school. Someone went and made it and made it.
You're not gonna eat it?
Until you're German
If
sausage.
I'm saying like
Ah, German. Kasi gusto niyang German sausages. Okay, come on.
German.
Meron siyang bread din. This one too. Babe, this one, look. May donut din sila dito. What's
I
the...
couldn't wait.
You couldn't wait. Good? Yeah, it's nice. Masarap? Yeah? Kaya muna sila dito. So yun lang, isang ano lang siya. Isang ikot lang. Yeah. Ayan, tapos na. Kunin lang namin yung sushi ni Sacha ni Holly. Dito naman ano, avocado. 7 for $5. Ako lang palang kukuha kasi kumakain sila. Sumunod siya. Is it done? Chona?
Yeah, here's your one.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, get it. So,
Healthy soap.
thank you. Soya sauce. Soya sauce.
We've got everything left. It's just made to order. So,
Are you done, yeah? Give me that, Kuya. Put it here. Thank you. Huh? Okay. Thank you, Kuya.
Now once we make the 8 bars.
Binigyan. Oh!
Hey, you're back.
Where's yours, Kuya? Ah, that one. I want that one too.
Sausage.
It looks nice.
Been around it.
Yeah, put it here, inside here. Oh.
That's it. That's it. In my mouth.
Huh? Too big? How much is this one? $5 each. Ay, nagsina mo na siya. Careful, Baba, ha? Huh? Too expensive, you think so? Too expensive daw. I think it's alright because that's huge. And ayun, dagat na, river.
I thought the banana cake was only 5.
5. How much the banana bread?
10.
$10 yung banana cake or banana. 9. Tingnan yung sausages. Oh, that is huge. This one, what's this one? What is this? What the flavor? This say?
Knuckles.
Knuckles.
Knuckles spicy with pepper.
Okay. The other one.
That's the knuckles here.
Ah, there's a picture.
Chili.
Chili spicy. Okay.
I'm just cooking knuckles, but this one is chili crunch cake, and I'm cooking gratis.
Okay, thank you. Maybe I like the chili. Ang laki niya.
You want me to buy
Thank you.
the bug?
How much?
I've never heard of anyone.
$12. Oh, laki.
Hearing correctly?
So, inintay na lang namin yung kay Kuya TJ. Ang laki niya, guys. Laki-laki. Ayun. Yan yung mukha ko. Bagong gising talaga tayo, guys. Wala tayong kahit ano. Lip tint. Cheesy Kerensky to. Chili. Medyo maanghang. Sarap.
You like avocado?
Sarap. Masarap, ha? Ayun kasi spicy. Sarap. Tingnan mo siya. Iniinom niya yung tira niyang soya sauce. Ayan na yung nakakagat ko. Wala pa tayo sa bread. Masarap siya. Mayroon siyang mustard. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano yung sauce na yan. Homemade yata yan. Tapos meron siyang pickles, mushroom. Sarap. Ayan kay Kuya. $10 yung kay Kuya. How much mine, Han? 12? 14 yung akin. Okay.
Right, Dad, it'll be
Watch out, hot, yeah.
Do you want onion and sauerkraut?
Nah, it didn't even go in.
Oh my
Squeeze it.
God.
Squeeze it to get
You know what happened, guys? Nag-ano dyan si Sak, yung linagay yung kamay niya from here.
Just squeeze it so the stuff comes out.
From here. Ayan, natusok yung kamay niya niyan. Oh, Diyos
Blood
ko.
coming out.
Nah,
Ayan, yung pako.
squeeze that blood out to get all the rust out.
Yeah, rusty pa naman. That's why you just sit down.
Squeeze it out. Oh, keep squeezing.
See? Oh. Let me see, Sak.
Let me see. That what happened. I see.
Bili siya ng, ano, bananas. Dito yung banana. Meron silang pineapple, oh. Na?
Hey,
Yeah.
bring the small ones.
Where is it? Yeah, that small. That one. Ah, sorry. That was the other shop.
Ah,
Sorry.
these ones too, Jay? Them ones. Chuck it on there.
Okay, ayan na yung banana niya. May reklamo si Holly. What did you say, Baba? Hindi raw siya nakakita. Tomatoes? Yeah, but the little one, the little tomato.
Big one. Like these big. Kind of big.
Tara tayo sa car.
Yes, Mom has changed.
Eh,
Yeah, they're pickles.
itatry ni Jan yung nabili niyang tinapay, banana. May banana cake tayo, may banana fruit tayo.
Where's my baby?
Yeah.
No, actually, Mom's bad.
Is,
I can't believe I had. I would have ate.
ano, still banana.
Beautiful.
Favorite niyang banana.
Dad, this is where the bananas come from.
You want some?
Oh, I can want it
Holly.
cold. Yeah.
When it's cold?
It's better. Holly, it's cold one. It's good. Tie my baby in your bag, Mom. Please.
Dito yung, tinanggal ko yung mga dala-dala kong food dito sa ating ano.
Mom, you know when I stuck
Bag,
my
huh?
hand into that thing?
Paul? Yeah? What happened?
If it was a big one,
Oh my God. You
I
would
would have
see.
seen it.
That's right. Let me see. Where is it?
That's where
that.
this is where the bananas is from. Look.
Dito na kami sa Caravan ulit, guys. Hindi ko kayang ubusin kasi, di ba, nakita nyo naman, sobrang laki niya. So, isi-save ko siya para mamaya. Ganoon si Kuya, hindi niya rin naubos, pero kumakain na siya ng saging. And then, dito na rin sila Willow. Ayan siya.
So get
Picky.
the smelly thing up.
What smelly?
It's smelly.
What? Are you...
Mom, here's my banana.
Ah, the smelly thing.
I'm having my
Probably hanging
second.
up on that
Where?
TV. Oh,
Where? Ito yung smelly natin. Here, Hana. Okay, open it, babe. Like this. Ganyan siya, guys. Then,
no.
yeah, that was she said. You have
Yeah.
to tip it here.
Yeah.
Kasi may ano siya.
You got to take the thing off the end first.
No,
And you don't. You just
yeah, and then we'll put
screw
it.
it in there and then just go boom, boom, that's it.
Yeah. Can you open it? May ano siya, may...
No.
Hala, it's raining na. Tamang-tama lang yung pagpunta natin. Nung pagpunta nila Willow, maulan eh. Yung pagpunta namin, hindi na umulan. Sabi dyan, alisin daw tong mga flowers. Ayan. May ganyan kasi siya, guys. Oh. Sabi dyan, tanggalin daw. So, yan lang. At saka banana. Yan lang nabili natin sa pages. Oh, smell good. Ang tagal niya maano, ha? Ilang weeks? No, did you tip one, ha?
No.
That's what she said.
I know. what
Tip
you
one?
said.
So, what you gonna do?
Just go like that
Yeah.
and that's it.
Smell? Oh my god, ang bang. We should have get the, what you call that? May pang refill. There's a bottle to refill it. How much is this, huh? Oh, so good. $12. How about the bottle?
25.
We should have get that one so we can just refill it. Oh, yeah. Where you wanna put this? Here?
No, you don't want it touching nothing.
Oh. So where do you want me to put then? Here? Hang it
Oh yeah,
here?
you can hang it off that light in that corner there.
That one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's...
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Ihang natin
Just
dito.
so it's off the wall.
Off the wall. Okay.
Is it touching?
No. Alright?
But we got to take it off when we...
Yeah. Tanggalin pag nagbabiyahe. Walang magawa guys kasi umuulan naman sa labas. Si Sai at si Kuya, hiniram nila yung phone sa daddy and yung dalawa tingnan niyo. Ayaw siya kasi. Kanina nag-aanoan sila, nagkikilitian. Oy! What are you doing? Nothing. And ako, hindi ako makakonect sa wifi ni Jan sa, ano niya ba? Sa phone niya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Para ma-upload ko na sana yung vlog. Dalawa guys. Ha? Kuha tayong tissue dito guys. Kasi naubusan na kami ng tissue dun sa ano. Dun sa on-suite natin. Hindi pa sila nagbibigay. Pero may dala naman tayo. Kaya okay lang. Yung dalawa. Ayan yung dalawa. Nanonood sila ng... What are you watching here?
What are you playing, yeah?
What are you playing here?
Yeah!
Yeah, Kuya yan. Why are you so wet?
I've been washing the front to get the bugs off.
Ah, okay. And it's not leaking anymore, right?
Nah.
No.
Nah.
No. Wala na siya guys kasi
There now?
nothing. Wala na siya guys kasi ang ginawa ni Jan, kung maalala sinabi ko, merong tubig dyan na lobat guys. So, yung sinasabi ko, ang ginawa ni Jan sa Caravan, instead na straight, yung pagka-park niya, pinagano niyang konti para yung tubig bumaba. Kaya wala na yung nakita yung parang may leak. So, hindi na siya nag-leak. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa ng mga bata, binigay namin yung iPad kasi may mga dinownload kaming movies. So, nanonood silang movies. Kasi, guys, ilang araw na umuulan dito sa Yumba. So, wala silang magawa dito. Ayan sila. Andun sila, oh. Andun silang tatlo. Wala kasi silang magawa. Hindi sila pwedeng lumabas kasi mababasa sila. Hi, Baba!
I'm so sour, and I'm so sour. I'm in the chunks. I'm in the dust. I'm a sunflower. I'm a sunflower. I'm a sunflower. I'm like. Stop it, Lila. I say I keep the chain. She was all bad. I turned it up. Turn it loud.
Dito si Max. And kami ni Bro. Punta kami ng Coast. Bili ng something. Kung ano bang para sa dinner namin mamaya.
Wait, Mom, can I go to the iPad?
No, later. Okay, TJ, let Sakay have a tour. Nasa iPad sila, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, ang pangit ng weather, oh. Kaya, yeah, here. Ay, meron. Okay, next time magpapa-SNS ako, guys. Punta muna tayo dito sa K-Hub. Kasi sumasabit na sa aking buhok. Kuha lang siya ng medyas para kay Max. Bago tayo punta ng Coles. Coles na tayo. Just yeah, we're gonna get that one. Lunch. Kuha tayong chicken. Kuha ko yung tig-isang chicken. Hanapin natin yung brioche. Tingnan yung itsura ko, parang basa sa ulan. Hanapin ko yung brioche. Meron kaming kinuhang mga veggies. Bread, Turkish. Where is it? Here. Turkish roll. Patay ito. And I love brioche. Brioche. Roll. The roll one. Roll. Where is it? No. Wala. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's alright. Hindi siya yung rolls, pero para siya yung Spanish bread sa atin. Leg rolls, yes. For tomorrow dinner. And then where's the bread roll? Yeah. Yeah, where is the pasta? Because we can have that with our pork. Si Jan gusto niya yung macaroni na ginawa. Yung nasa packet lang. Katay na glutinous rice. Sana meron kasi gusto nila ng sticky. Yung biko. Pero hindi natin ngayon lulutuin. Pero gusto ko nang kumuha. Nasaan kaya siya? Kulang-kulang dito ang paninda sa calls na to. Wala silang glutinous rice. Yeah, alright. This is what's this one? Hindi nagbilin si Jan pero kuha ko. Ah, no, not this one. This one. Hindi nagbilin si Johnny Boy ng coffee pero kuha tayo. Meron ako nakuha dalawa. So, 4. That will be enough for him for 2 days. Peas and corn kuha tayo. Here. Which brand do you get? This one is alright, Coles? Yeah, we need this. Yeah, kuha tayo ng, guys, dessert. Bilin. Yeah. Or any. Yeah.
Chocolate one.
Yeah.
Or do we look at the cones?
That's good too. What coins do you think? The small one? Yeah, this one. So tayo kasi may ice cream tayo. Ayan. Let's go. What coins do you think? The small one? Yeah, this one. So tayo kasi may ice cream tayo. Ayan. Let's go. Bayad na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo sa Caravan, guys. Si Jan tsaka si Ben umalis. Kasi may race yung ano ni Dad ngayon. Yung horse ni Dad. So pumunta sila sa pub para manood. Kasi nag-bet sila, guys. So meron tayo ditong dalawang bag. Kita niyo ba ako, guys? Meron tayong dalawang bag dito. Yung iba na kila Bridie. So this time ako nagbayad ng grocery kasi minsan siya kasi yung pag may beef sila, hindi niya na kami hindi niya na pinapakuha yung beef namin. So sila yung nagpo-produce minsan ng beef. At minsan, bumibili tayo ng lamb. So, pero sabi ko ako magbayad. Ayaw niya. Sabi niya, no, we have to pay half. Kasi yun talagang ginagawa namin, pay half. At sabi ko ngayon, ako kasi, kailan ba yun? Yung last dinner ba yun? O nag-spaghetti siya. O sa kanya lahat ng meat, lahat ng pasta. So sabi ko, this time, ako magbabayad. Kunti lang naman. Siguro mga 150. 150. Hala, naiwan ko yung chicken. Nandun sa kanila yung chicken. Mamaya kunin ko yung chicken. Nakalimutan natin. So, eto, bumili ulit ako ng Turkish bread. Kumuha kami ng tig-isang chicken. Then, wala sila yung brioche na yung roll, yung round. So, ang kinuha, ito yung meron sila, yung parang Spanish bread ang style. Pero walang laman yan sa loob. Kumuha tayo ng basmati rice. Wala silang glutinous rice. And, kinuhaan ko siya ng coffee kahit hindi siya nagbilin, 4. And kumuha kami nitong creamy bacon carbonara kasi diba, maalala nyo gustong-gusto ni Jan. And ano pa, eto, fruit and nut. Hazelnut. Ayan, hazelnut. Ayan yung ating chocolate. Then I think si Jan, pumunta siya ng guys, Coles kanina, nung tulog pa kami. Kasi meron na naman tayong crumpet. Squares. So, hindi ko alam kung pumunta siya doon. For sure, pumunta siya. Kasi niya naman yung bibili. Tapos, eggs. Bumili tayo ng eggs. And yung ibang binili natin, ice cream. Tsaka yung lulutuin ngayon, yung vegetables. Kasi meron na silang, meron silang ramp. So, yun yung gagamitin namin. For dinner tonight, magka-casserole lang tayo. I-put away ko lang to. Ala, yung coffee ni Johnny Boy. Lagay ko na dito. Then, pupunta tayo sa camp kitchen. para magluto ng casserole. Luto tayong casserole. Yung may biyang pa nga dito, pero wag na muna yan. Pwede yan almusal bukas. Ang kukunin ko, dadalhin ko to. Kasi kakainin natin yan doon. Tapos yung tom yum soup. Nasaan na yung soup? Ayaw ni Jen ng amoy. Kaya doon ko to iinitin. Doon natin yung kainin. Doon yung kainin. Ano pa ba? May coffee pa. So, eto, dito na lang po. Kasi, ay! Ayan dito. Kasya yan. Yan yung chocolate, itago natin. Kasi pag nakita ng mga bata, for sure, kakainin na nila agad-agad. Baka hindi sila kumain ng dinner. Turkish bread, ang paborito ni Johnny Boy. Tsaka ako, masarap siya. Wala silang ano. Etong rice, mamaya ko na yan ilagay. Ito yung ating dessert later. And bumili rin kaming dessert. Ibalik ko to kay Bird itong bag. So, okay. Punta na tayo sa camp kitchen. Yung mga bata, nasa gaming room si Sak. Ano lang, kaalis niya lang din. Pumunta rin siya sa gaming room. So, yan. Nandito na yung chicken. Kinuha ko yung chicken dun sa ating kapit caravan. Kunin ko yung ano, yung pakpak. Oh, naglalaw. Sarap ng chicken ng coals. Habang mainit-init pa. Kainin ko lang ito, tapos punta tayo sa camp kitchen. So, yan yung dinner natin tonight, guys. Ilalagay lang namin yun sa oven. Guys, ilalagay nyo siya sa oven. Easy cooking. And, ininit ko na rin yung ating, tira kagabi. So, nainit ko na yung ating leftover. Si Brody, meron din siyang leftover doon. Ayan. Ininit niya rin sa microwave. So, kain. Update guys, it is 5:57. Nakaligo na kaming lahat. Si Holly na lang ang nasa shower room. Sinamahan siya ni Jan kasi siya yung nahuli kasi nakipaglaro siya nakipaglaro kay Ivy. Ako plinansya ko na yung buhok ko. After nito punta tayo sa camp kitchen, then aalis tayo guys. So, boys! Boys! Where's Kuya? What are you wearing, Kuya?
He's
Alright.
wearing shorts.
Oh,
I'm wearing trackies.
yeah. Ayan. Nagbibihis na siya. Ayan na siya. Tapos na siya maligo. Yung mga boys, nandun na sa camp kitchen. Ito yung dadalhin natin. Siyempre, plato. Tapos Coke. Mayroon sila dyan drinks. So, hurry up, Baba. Let's go. Dito na kami, guys, sa camp kitchen. Ayan na yung mashed potato ni Ben. Oh, galing yan sa market. Yeah. Yeah. Binili niya. This is sardo, right?
Yep.
Sardo.
With garlic and
Garlic and salt daw. Pepper and salt. Ayan na yung ating ulam. Yum. Smells good. Ayan na yung ating dinner, guys. Ayan yung stew. Ayan si Saki Boy. Who's this? Max? No, Bride, I think. This is Max. Max. Ah, that's TJ. Ako busog pa ako, guys. Kasi alas 2 pala kami kumain ni Brody. Yung tira namin na galing sa Thai restaurant. So, magtinapay na lang ako. Tapos makidip tayo kay Holly. You're 4? Ah, wait. Here. Tapos na si Sak. Oh, ang linis. Ako ang maglilinis. Anuhan ko ng tinapay. Ayan, sarap.
Yeah, it's more mashed.
Hindi pa pala siya tapos, guys. Kuwaraw siya ng mashed potato. Pero nakaano na tayo, ah. Ayan siya. Dito na pala tayo, guys, kung saan tayo mag-bowling. Kailangan namin i-scan ang driver license dyan, guys. Napansin namin yan dito sa New South Wales. Every like pub and ganito, dapat i-scan ang iyong ID. Pag wala kang ID, hindi ka makakapasok. So, pinasok ko na yung aking driver's license dito. Ayan na. I-tour ko muna kayo, guys, habang nagbabayad pa sila doon. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan yung hindi yan yung entrance. Ano kaya ang doon? Ayan. Basta, ano to? Bar. So, dito yung entrance. And, I don't know kung anong nandoon. Gaming ata dyan. Parang pokies. Han, babe, is that pokies there? Yeah, pokies pala yan. Then, dito yung reception. Diyan silang babayad. And, restaurant doon. So, ayan na naman sila. Nagkukulitan. Pasok na tayo dito. Meron din silang Wi-Fi. Yes. Oh, yes. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Oh, you can play there, Baba. Rock climbing, Baba. Rock. May rock, dun? Rock climbing. So, dito tayo. Andun na sila. Ako upload ako dito, guys, kasi malakas daw yung wifi, sabi ni Brody dito. So, siya din magda-download siya ng movies. So, upload natin yung vlog ko.
Just hold it on the channel.
Wala. Wow, kuya. Good job. Yeah, I know, kuya. Wala ako, guys, na wala akong na itumba kahit isa man lang. So, nalagay ko na yung password. Mag-join tayo sa kanyang Wi-Fi para maka-upload tayo. Na hindi makakonect. Ang malas naman. Ayun siya dyan. Wow! Where? Good job! Sabi ko na sa inyo ako lang talagang hindi magaling. Lahat sila magaling
What are you doing?
Yung score, guys, ako 0. Si Holly, talo pa ako ni Holly. Tingnan yung score ni Holly, 9. Si Mami, Chona, 0. Lahat na sila may score, ko wala. Ayun si Holly ulit. Holly! Wow! Oh, yeah! Wala talaga kahit isa. Ay, talo pa talaga ako ni Holly. Nagkaroon si Holly ng speed. Ha? Yeah! Oh, that's good.
Take it back and throw it like that.
Yes, Chona!
Dad, I'm doing it now on
You just have to make sure you finger goes down the arrow.
Oh! Good job, Kuya! Oh, was Oli?
Yeah.
Oh, that was you. Ah, good job, Holly. I know. And si Ive. And Willow. Oh!
Bear. Holy, what are you doing? I've done it.
Walang internet dito sa loob ng bowling. Doon sa labas daw malakas. So, hindi tayo makaka-upload. Yeah, okay. Yes, you're so hot. Go, yeah. Go, Holly. Go, go. Good job. Alright, babe.
If she wins,
Oh, well done.
Holy, just hurry.
Wow. Yabang. Yabang. Nag-order na pala ng drinks. That one. Yeah. Malay. Wow! Good job! I got it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Oh, yes! Good job. Yep. Ben is next.
What's that, lemonade?
No, water. Oh, Ben! Following me!
Cracking on the pressure.
Kuya, alis dyan! Oh. Okay.
Think about that way.
I would give him another two.
Guys, dito na tayo sa Caravan.
Let's go.
Kanina hindi na ako nakapag, ano guys, kasi naubusan tayo ng,
Really good.
very good, ng memory. Ang nanalo si Jan, si Ivy sa kids. Ngayon dessert tayo guys, yung nabili natin sa Coles na cheesecake. Enjoy yung, enjoy ako yung kulela sa lahat. Pati sa mga bata. Apang kulela. Kainin ko muna itong dessert. Sarap. Ayan yung mga bata naglalaro na.
Mom!
Wala pang tuloy. Wala pang ilang seconds.
Is that rubbish?
Mom has one bite.
You had yours. Tapos na siya. Gusto niyo ba?
I had it before, Mom.
I like the chocolate one better.
It's good. Yeah. Nam. Dito na sila and ubos na nila yung maliit na banana na nabili natin kanina sa ano? Market.
This is all my little banana. Should we go that big one?
We have big one.
No, the big, small one.
Diba? Ang dami na ng kinain. Ayan, kain ulit. So, i-close na namin yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. Hoy! Remove your banana, please.
Please, Bye.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you, guys.
One, 4, 8, 8. 1, 4, 8, 8, 88. No, 4.
Dad, am I in the right spot?
8. What?
Oh, and you take one more good apples. Another bite? Another bite?
Good evening. The Prime Minister and Premier have caused flood devastation
Can I have a
in
bite?
Sydney, met with frustration from locals who want more action instead of
Stop jumping around.
The rain system is now headed north, with some communities in the Hunter already cut off by rising floodwaters. Assault allegations are threatening to derail Nick Curious, who in charge. The Tennis star stands accused of common assault of a former girlfriend. The Spurs official for the land to play on for now. Former Silverchair frontman Daniel Jones has escaped jail time for a drunk crash. The singer was 3 times over the legal alcohol.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.